Hi, I'm Jovan and today I'm going to talk about vinyl tiles. So what is vinyl tiles? Vinyl tiles is a finished flooring material normally used in commercial buildings. The most common size is about 300 mm and it's 2 mm thick, and the tiles are fixed, so it's normally resistant to water. During installation, it can be in a form of floor tiles or sheet, which is applied to the floor, but the floor has to be smooth, so it's to be leveled subfloor using a special way, so that when the vinyl are laid, the floor will be smooth. So vinyl flooring made with PVC and various kind of components to adjust the material to what the customer needs. So of course the primary element is the vinyl flooring itself, the vinyl sheet. So these are the examples of vinyl tiles. Okay, so vinyl are normally preferred for use in residential, kitchen and bathroom, as well as in healthcare facilities and commercial and retail establishment. So what are the advantages and disadvantages of vinyl? The advantages are that it's comfortable, the tiles are soft, okay, and the durability. So vinyl are very durable in terms of the vinyl that can withstand heavy foot traffic, and they can be used throughout the whole house. So doesn't have to be that only your kitchen or the bathroom have to be in vinyl. So it's very easy to install. It can be installed right on top of your current floor now, and it's easy to take care of it. It's low maintenance, no need for waxing or scrubbing. So for the disadvantages, it's difficult to repair. So that means if one small part of your vinyl is spoiled, you have to change the whole thing. You cannot just, like normal tiles, you can just replace one, but for vinyl you have to replace the whole thing. It will turn yellow after time because of the long-term sunlight shining on it. And VOCs. A VOC is chemical use during the manufacturing of vinyl, and it can cause toxic when the sun shine on it. The VOC will lead out some gas that may be harmful to humans. It will cause eye irritation or even eczema. So for price of vinyl tiles, it's about $250 to $5 per square feet. It can be bought in a vinyl sheet or vinyl tiles. So these are the examples. It's found on the Carousel. It's about $230 here and $280 here per square feet. These are those renovation flooring firms that provide these services. Yeah, and later I will show you an example of a vinyl that I managed to get from the flooring firms. So I managed to get some vinyl examples from the flooring firms. Okay, so I have 4 of me. So they come in different designs and colors. So this two is the vinyl that has the design of wood. So for customers that want to have their house to be like their flooring to be like wood, but because wood flooring is not resistant to water, so they want to use vinyl, but they want to have the wood design, they can choose this kind. Or for those who want to have marble design, they can use this one too. Okay, so how do they install? So okay, from the back, right, you can see it's slightly like double side tape like that. Okay, so after you can peel this part off here, so it's like a sticky part, right? So you can stick it on the floor immediately lah. Okay, then okay, let me show you this one. Okay, for this one, right, it's like puzzles, so you can as you can see right from here, you can see it's when they have many of this one, the same one, right, you can just the other side of this part you can just put it on top, so it will lay evenly. So it's the same idea lah. You just stay out for the back, you stick it down there, then the rest you just lay the gap here evenly, right, then you'll be finished lah. It's actually quite easy and it's quite cheap. It's quite ideal flooring for normal residential because it's cheap. No need to low maintenance. It's resistant to water also. So yeah.